Here's how to upgrade SONiC using an SCP client. You'll need an SCP client like WinSCP and the SONiC image. Download the image from your Dell My account. For more information, see KB article 180674. This is not a comprehensive guide. Before attempting an upgrade, please read the SONiC installation and upgrade guide carefully. In particular, check the Configuration Migration Support section to confirm upgrade compatibility. Before upgrading SONiC, first upgrade the ONI software, then the networking firmware. These are available on dell.com/support. Please remember, there is always a risk of traffic loss during an upgrade. We recommend scheduling a maintenance window to do this. Connect to your switch with a terminal emulator. Here we're using PuTTY. Once connected, use the df command to check there's enough free space for the image in the home directory. Connect to the switch using your SCP client and copy the image to the home directory. Run SONiC-CLI to enter the Management Framework CLI, then dir home to confirm that the image is present. Before proceeding, save and back up your switch configuration. Run write memory to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. Then use the copy startup-configuration command to back up the config to your home directory. You can then use your SCP client to copy this to your workstation. Optionally, as an extra precaution, run show running configuration pipe no-more. Copy the output and paste it into a text file on your workstation. If you're updating switches in an MC lag configuration, upgrade the standby peer first to minimise disruption. On your standby peer or standalone switch, use the image install command to begin the installation. Run show image status to check the progress. It usually only takes a minute or two to complete. Then run show image list to check that next displays the correct image. If it doesn't, use the image set-default command to select the correct image. Usually it will be set automatically. Then run reboot to reboot the switch. When the reboot is complete, log back into the switch and run SONiC-CLI. Then show version to confirm the OS version is correct. For a standalone switch, the OS upgrade is now complete. For switches in an MC lag configuration, repeat the same steps for the primary switch. If you made any other changes, remember to save your configuration with write memory before quitting. Thanks for watching.